Hello, and welcome to another episode of Stuart Drinks Beer. So we're on the second instalment of the Brewdog fanzine, and we've got Brewdog's Dead Empire Imperial IPA. Now, this one is measuring a hefty 9.5 ABV. Now that's 10 super and a little bit more, so that is a strong beer. But as I said in the past, Brewdog does very good high ABV beers, so I'm looking forward to this one, strangely. I've also brought a little snack to go along this one, so I've brought Tesco's Wasabi chili mix, which is just a general plethora of rice crackers and chili and peanuts and just nonsense, to be honest. So let's open these up. Oh, God. Nah. Oh my days. Okay, so they taste like something I would either give a dog or just put in the bin. Anyway, let's open this Dead Empire. Now, it's quite kind of fitting right now. Dead Empire is probably what Britain is going to be in the next couple of weeks, but let's not talk about that. So this drink goes out to Theresa May. Dead Empire. Let's give it a try. Look at this. Blah. There's not a whole lot going on here. Slight smell of hop, kind of fruity. The colouring is not pleasant. It's almost like you've been on the piss for probably a couple of days and you've not drunk water. It's got that sort of cloudy urine effect with that slight bit of head in the top. If your pee's like this, drink water. So let's give it a try. Again, Brewdog's done it again. So this is a 9.5% beer, and it tastes so fruity, slightly hoppy, and very refreshing. Got quite a dry aftertaste, but you would never think in a million years that that was a 9.5% beer. They are the best at the high ABVs, definitely. Even with the bigger swatch. It's so good. It's definitely good. Now let's go back to the Tesco Wasabi chili mix and let's try one of these. Can you see that? Can you see that? That is one of my toddler's rice crackers that I found underneath the couch. It's probably been there for just over a year. Ooh. A little bit of wasabi hit there. Again, that's not pleasant. And this one, nope. Don't recommend that as a beer snack at all. Back to the beer. Would I recommend this beer? I would, definitely. But as all Brewdog's fanzines, you're unlikely to get it again. They may, if you cry enough, re-release it, but even with the re-release, you can't guarantee that it will taste the same, because it'll be new batch hops, new batch of everything, and it won't taste the same. So enjoy it where you can, and I'm going to have one last swatch. And yeah, after this, I will be Dead Empire. Cheers. See you again.